Welcome to the PC Error Detective YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to open a VOB file on your laptop. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow troubleshooting tips. Step 1. First, open your web browser and download a media player that supports VOB files, such as VLC Media Player. You can find it on its official website. Once the download is complete, follow the instructions to install the player. Step 2. After the installation is complete, open VLC Media Player by clicking its icon. Step 3. In VLC, go to the top left corner of the window and click on Media. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select Open File. This will bring up a file browser. Step 5. Use the file browser to navigate to the folder where your VOB file is stored. Once you find the file, click on it to select it. Finally, click the Open button. Your VOB file will start playing in VLC. And that's it. Thanks for watching.